Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 4 of the Cougar Connection. This week at Simons Middle School, we had lots of instructional activities going on, lots of student successes. And one of those student successes we do want to talk about for the student spotlight this week, and that student is Colby Cooper. Colby was actually away at the state fair this week, and he competed with his heifer. He won Grand Champion Market Heifer and Reserve Champion Kentucky Proud Steer and was able to exhibit them in the championship drive that was on Thursday night. He also won Reserve Champion AOB Heifer on Thursday morning. This win with Colby steer is extra special because this is a steer that was bred out of one of the steers that he first began showing with. So Colby is really dedicated to this type of work. He always demonstrates a can-will mess attitude when working with his livestock as he gets up early in the mornings, usually before or around 5 a.m. before the sun comes up so that he can walk them. Thank you, Colby, and congratulations. We're so proud of your accomplishments. This week's staff spotlight is Mrs. Kim Perkins. Miss Perkins is the guidance counselor here at Simons Middle School, and I'm sure that most of you have met Miss Perkins. She always does what is best for students, and she does so with a gracious heart. She never complains, and she always is willing to jump in and help. So thank you, Miss Perkins, for all that you do for us at Simons Middle School. We greatly appreciate you and just want to take a moment and thank you for everything that you do for us. This week at Simons Middle School, we do have several activities and events going on. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting, and teachers, if you are involved in that MSU cadre where you're mentoring upcoming teachers, and we do have a meeting at 3:30 in the library. Girls basketball team, you are against Mason County at home on Tuesday night, and we have a faculty meeting after school on Wednesday, and we're going to be doing programs training on that day. On Thursday, girls basketball, you guys are at Round County. We're also going to have a PLC day on Thursday and a leadership team right after school. Students and staff, Friday is Can-Will Must Shirt Day, so make sure you wear your shirts. And we're also going to have that 8th grade party fundraiser. So students, if you want to wear a hat on Friday, you can do so if you pay $1. And if you haven't done so already, students, you do need to make sure that you vote for your Cougar Council representative by Friday. That survey will be live on Friday, so do make sure you take the time to vote on that. And parents, just one upcoming event that is going to be in the month of September that you want to go ahead and put on your calendars is we're going to have a fall open house. And if you have suggestions or things that you want to be able to attend or see during fall open house, please reach out and let me know, or let Miss High know, or someone on the admin team. And if you haven't done so already, you can reach me by signing up through Remind. Remind is our text messaging service here at Simons Middle School. So you can sign up by texting at SimonsMI to 81010, or you can just simply email me, and my email address is here in the weekly Cougar Connection. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.